In this video, you're going to see the top 16 real life money paying apps out there. By the way, the last one is insane, so stick around to find out what it is, and also if you want to win the giveaway that I'm doing, so stick around if you want to win free stuff. So number 16 on the list is easy rewards. With easy rewards, you can make money in several ways. You can make money completing surveys, playing games, or even completing offers. All right, the amount of time this app takes to pay people that join it is roughly around 3 days. It could take more, it could take less, but roughly it's around 3 days. It has multiple ways of cashing out the money that you earn on it, like PayPal and gift cards. So it's basically PayPal money, and you can earn on gift cards as well. Number 15, Stormgain. Stormgain is a cryptocurrency mining and trading platform. It is mostly for beginners, I might say, but it's a great way if you want to make money trading or mining cryptocurrency. Stormgain is the way to go. If you're not a beginner, you can also use it, but what I mean is it's that platform is beginner friendly. Now, if you like the sound of making quick and easy money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because that's literally all I post here on the channel. I post free videos every single week here on different methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? You're going to miss the future videos. Go ahead and subscribe right now. All right, now that you've subscribed, let's continue. All right, app number 14 is called Make Money Real Cash App. On this app, there are several ways that you can use to make money. A few of them being playing games, completing surveys, and of course, completing offers. This website usually takes a week to pay you. The downside about this app kind of is because it only accepts PayPal. So if you're in a country that doesn't accept PayPal, you're not good with this one. But if you are in a country that accepts PayPal, you're good to go. I'd highly recommend that you give this one a try. But like I said, this app gives you multiple ways that you can win basically PayPal money. Number 13 on the list is mGamer. The cool thing about mGamer, this app allows you to make money, not just PayPal money, but also make money using the games that you play in real life. So if you're already a gamer, then you're gonna love this app. They have really quick payout times. It only takes 2 days to receive your cash. And like I said, you can get paid via PayPal and game coins. Number 12 on the list is Feature Points. This app also gives you several ways to get paid, like completing surveys, completing offers, and by playing games. Just to let you know, in this channel, I teach a lot of ways that you can use these offers to make a lot of money in my other videos. And I'm also going to show you one of those videos as soon as this one ends. Like I always say in my videos, there's going to be a text file in the pinned comment and also in the description. So if you need any links, resources, name of the apps, it's all going to be in the description and in the pinned comment of this video. All right, so look in those two places. All right, so Feature Points pays you in PayPal money, Bitcoin, and also gift cards. So if you're under 18 and you want to get paid in gift cards, that's a good option for you. Everything that I'm teaching here, I teach in my Pro University course. In my course, I teach you how you can create a profitable YouTube business. I teach you how you can create a cash cow YouTube channel that generates money for you without you having even to make videos. Or even you could create a personal YouTube channel like mine here. I teach all the secrets and insider details. This amount that you're seeing on the screen right now is just one YouTube channel that generates me passive income every single month. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is my personal YouTube channel, how many subscribers I've got in the last 28 days. I was able to achieve more than 60,000 subscribers in 28 days. This is an insane amount of growth, and I teach every single thing step by step inside the course. I also teach how you can set up an affiliate marketing business that you can set up once and it generates cash for you while you sleep on autopilot. I teach you how you can build a profitable e-commerce business, and also how to grow your social media and how to become an influencer using TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Now, how much money do you think you need to be financially free? What would you do with an extra automated $10,000 to $15,000 every single month? Would you retire your family, travel the world, pay those student loans? Currently, this course is being launched one module every single week, and because of that, for the price of a night out meal of 49 bucks, you can start building your automated online business today. But if you really want to join, then hurry, because soon I'm going to be raising the price of the course, and for the people that have joined now while the course is still launching, I'm going to keep the price of 49 bucks a month. So if you're interested in building an online business, don't hesitate, go join now, and I'll see you inside. In number 11 comes an app called WinGift, and WinGift also allows you to get paid completing surveys, completing offers, and also playing games. This app only allows you to get paid in gift cards, but they have all awesome offers in there. So if you're under 18, again, I would highly recommend that you check this app out. If you're over 18, I would highly recommend that you check this one out as well. But I know that some of you guys here don't have credit cards, don't have bank accounts in some places, so this app can be a great opportunity. Number 10 on the list is called Free Cash, and Free Cash allows you to get paid in crypto, PayPal money, and also gift cards. This app allows you to get paid in two ways, which is completing surveys and also completing offers. And the higher we go on this list, the better the offers. One thing that I personally like a lot about this app is that it allows you to get paid instantly. So if you're looking for cash, quick, fast cash, this is one of the ones to go to. All right, number 9 on the list is Sweet Bees. This application will allow you to earn money by taking pictures of real life stuff, kind of like foods, restaurants, all those kind of things. Sweet Bees pays you via PayPal, so it's basically PayPal money, and they have an awesome customer support. So if you need them for anything, you can count on the support that the app gives you. Speaking of apps to make free money, Webull is offering to all my subscribers, if you sign up to the link in the document below, $30,600 just for signing up and making a deposit of any amount. It could be 1 cent, $2, $5, any amount qualifies you. If you sign up for this app and make a first deposit to verify your account, they'll give you 12 fractional shares up to $30,600, but it's for a limited amount of time. So if you want to grab that offer and take advantage of this, I would hurry up. Speaking of offers, people have been asking me how to become an affiliate for my course Pro University, and all you have to do is go to the link in the text document, leave your email in the text document, and you're going to be entered to become an affiliate. Once you leave your email, you'll be tagged. You're going to receive your affiliate link and the link to your affiliate dashboard so you can track your earnings. By the way, the earnings that you get from Pro University are recurring. It's every single month. So if you make a sale and the person continues month over month, you're going to continue earning 25% every single month that they stay in Pro University. All right, so number 8 on the list is Life Points. Life Points is a great app. It's for completing surveys, and let me tell you, each survey that you complete in Life Points is at least $1 or $2. Plus, Life Point is going to pay you in PayPal or gift cards, so it's very, very easy to cash out. Number 7 comes one of my favorites on this list, Swagbucks. So Swagbucks actually offers you several ways that you can get paid, one of them being playing games, another one watching videos, completing surveys, and of course, completing offers. Swagbucks is one of the most reliable apps out there. It also offers options for you to cash out by PayPal, gift card, and if I'm not mistaken, some other options as well. The amount of time they take to pay you is not set in stone. It could take anywhere from 2 hours to a couple of days. Number 6 on the list is QMe. QMe is a great app. It's an app for completing surveys. And let me tell you, the surveys are really, really good, and they can pay up to $4 each. Number 5 on this list is Mistplay. Mistplay is an app that allows you to earn money by playing games on their platform. And they also have a huge variety of games. The only downside to this platform is that they require Face ID and a virtual wallet for you to cash out on their app, which most of the times require you to send a picture of a physical photo ID to them. But besides from that, they have various options for you to cash out, and they pay in a couple of days. Number 4 on the list is YCents. YCents offers you the opportunity to earn by completing offers and also by completing surveys. YCents is one of the best apps on this list. When I say best apps, I mean best paying apps. The offers on this app can go upwards to hundreds of dollars, and you can earn $5 to $6 per survey that you complete on this app. It also offers you many options for you to cash out, like gift cards, PayPal, and many others. Number 3 on the list is called Play. This app allows you to make money on it by completing surveys. The surveys on this app pays anywhere around $5 to $6 each, and here comes the good part: instant cash outs. So if you're looking for quick cash, Pay is the way to go. You can just hop into this app, make some quick surveys, $5 to $6 each, and then instantly cash your money out. They also offer you the option to cash out in gift cards, but I personally prefer PayPal. Number 2 on the list, Adapole. This app also offers instant PayPal cash outs, and the payout minimum is very, very low, which is around $3 to $5 if I'm not mistaken, and they can also pay you in gift cards. Now, the number 1 app on this list is Tapmo, and if you want to see this app, just click the thumbnail on the screen right now and you'll be redirected to the other video. I'll see you on that video. Work hard, play harder.